No! That's a really long walk. Let's see.
Oh, that was not okay.
What just happened? Like, going backwards. I know. It's a weird bouncy ball.
It didn't like that. I'm gonna back up.
No.
Oh,
Oh
fail.
my god. I like that. No. It's just.
You're getting worse.
I know, I'm sorry. No. Jenna. Ow.
Did you pick it up with your foot? Good job.
No.
Sorry, a little.
It's okay. Oh no.
No.
I don't like how it bounces.
It's a bouncy ball. Imagine that.
No.
This isn't fun anymore, is it?
Katie, you want it back?
Yeah.
This should be
Okay.
interesting.
Katie's gonna bat. Kill us all. Or she won't hit it.
That's more like it.
Because Katie was never good at softball. And that ball was bigger.
Yay!
Left-handed.
See, isn't it difficult? It's not proportionate. That was a beautiful hit. See, it's like spot on.
I think she's lying to all of us.
What?
I think she's lying to all of us.
I know. Liar.
I was at baseball games, so I might have picked up on
Maybe I
things.
shouldn't go so close. One boob shot and you're done.
Jenna!
It's just coming back.
Sorry, I don't want to play. Oh.
Oh, it's gonna get you. Uh-oh, we should stop.
Yeah.
Let's go inside.
They're going on Facebook, right?